What if something is moving beneath Area 51? In just 24 hours, over 17 earthquakes shook the ground near America's most secretive military base. According to United States Geological Survey data, these quakes struck only 2.5 miles underground, and that's what makes it strange. Experts say this isn't a typical earthquake zone. Even geophysicist Stephen Burns called it an unusual place. Online, theories are exploding. Aliens, UFOs, secret experiments. But there's another possibility. Something far more real and more dangerous. Some believe this could be linked to underground nuclear testing. A possibility that's rare, but not impossible. So the question is, what's really happening beneath Area 51? And are we being told the truth?